Hey, John Dorsey here with workwithjohnd.net. And do you want to know how you can use affiliate marketing to earn money online and also basically earn while you learn? Then stay tuned because I have a very dope series of videos for you. Okay, so first off, making hyper-focused, tight niche sites to promote your affiliate products works. They're a good little business model, good for getting started online, good for diversifying your income and spreading the risk. They're good for confidence building too. So you want to create your own products, but worry you don't have the expertise to do them right. Easiest solution is to find someone who is and sell their stuff. Become their affiliate. Learn while you earn and become an expert along the way. Trouble is, in the era where Google, YouTube, and Facebook are constantly updating their algorithms, it's tough to know and keep up with where to turn, what to do, and the potholes to avoid. And there's a few dinosaurs out there teaching prehistoric methods. That's where I come in. Over the next several videos, you're going to be getting an education and setting up your affiliate marketing business. All for nothing, my gift to you for being a loyal subscriber to my channel. So if you're not a subscriber, you may want to click subscribe now, click the bell icon, and keep your eyes peeled for new updates. There's no warm-up, and we're going to hit the ground running in the next video. I'm going to reveal the reason why most affiliates fall flat on their face and are going nowhere. The fundamental marketing skill they've not been taught. And it's a shame too, because it gives the industry a bad rap. Well, I will be seeing you soon. By the way, do you want to get a head start on what I'll be showing you and the tools you'll need? Then click the #1 recommended link in the description box. Alright, so see you in the next one.